Hey everyone, set at R U Cars. This is our Skoda Superb estate, 2 litre TDI 190 bhp with the 6-speed DSG. It's a Sportline model, finished in Corrida red with the charcoal interior. It's got the black pack. It looks absolutely stunning. It rides on the 19-inch alloys. It's just been fully serviced. It's had new rear brakes. It drives without fault. It's a Euro 6 model, so it is ULEZ compliant. Got your reg number there for any checks you may wish to carry out. And overall, just a stunning looking car. All the tyres are really good, as you can see there. It's got the xenon lights, adaptive cruise control. Let's show you inside. Got the power tailgate, all working nicely, with the big boot and the load cover with your split folding rear seats. No signs of dog or anything like that. All really nice and clean, with no nasty smells. In the car, we've got the half leather, half Alcantara with the diamond stitch. Isofix armrest, 3 proper seat belts, rear electric windows, ambient lighting as well. And in the front, we've got driver's electric memory seat with the tombstone style VRS seats, 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, keyless start, keyless entry, folding mirrors, electric windows, 87,934 miles. We'll just start the car. So as you saw there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should when there are no warnings. In the centre, we've got your dual climate control with your heated seats, just there. Your driver mode, your gear selector, your parking sensors, etc. all in the middle with your handbrake and your cup holders. Large armrest, which is chilled in the centre. We've got the large screen navigation system with your DAB, FM, AM radio, auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio, CD, etc. It's got it all. Of course, we've got Bluetooth telephone, as you can see there. Working navigation. All of your car settings are in here, where you can find your ambient light, etc. Do all your personalisation for your keys, etc. It's all there. Very well spec'd car, these. Parking sensors with the park pilot, so you've got your guided manoeuvrability. Frameless interior mirror. Your handbooks and your Skoda media are in the glove box. As I mentioned earlier, adaptive cruise control. And that about sums up this car. It is a stunning car to look at, and it drives equally as well. Get involved, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Finance is available, and we've worked with a number of brokers and lenders to find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.